Hey, how are you?
Hello.
Morning, how are you?
We're just still walking around about the referendum. Just wondering, have you a chance to think how you're voting, or any questions you'd like to ask?
Both sides I can see very clearly, and it's just making
That's great
the
that
right
you're really
decision.
considering it.
Oh, absolutely! I want to see both sides. I don't want to just kind of say, I may have certain religious beliefs, but I'm still open to say, and I understand there's other sides to it as well. It wasn't overly pushy in my face saying, well, no, you're wrong, because you get a certain amount that kind of have the attitude that says, you're wrong, and I have my own opinion. It's not right or wrong, it's my opinion, and that's it, so I felt it was good that they weren't just pushing me to say this is what they want to do.
Any questions you'd like to ask?
No, we just keep going because it's time.
Thank you.
I think it's amazing that he's walking around and just trying to talk to people. I find that you shouldn't be angry at people for their vote because it's a very personal choice. But if there was just much more conversation in a very open way about how it would affect your life and other people's lives, then I think maybe it wouldn't be as aggressive.
Any chance to think about the referendum yet?
I haven't, but I'll bear in mind.
You Irish citizen, or?
I am, but you'll see.
Okay. And vote.
Okay, thank you very much.
Next Friday.
Yep. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
We're voting yes.
Yeah,
brilliant.
All
of us are.
That's great.
Definitely persuaded, yeah.
It was a surprise. We weren't expecting it at all.
I think it was great that he was in campus, going around to young people who the referendum will, affect mostly, I suppose, in years to come.
I'll give some more thought. Yeah. Thank you. No problem.
Thank you very much.
Okay.